Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs, cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Responsible for Donnelly's murder had raped one of my friends.
What?
Yup. Beat her and rape her.
Beat the girl and do what?
Rape her.
Where said Noel rape one of your friend them? Is this an allegation or is this a truth? Is the friend ready to come forward and talk this?
She wants to come forward and talk, but she is scared. The other night she called me and she was weeping because she is scared. She no longer lives in Jamaica because she's traumatized.
Mighty God.
Yep. And I am pleading with other young women, if you know anything else, if this had ever happened to you, come forth and speak out. Jamaica needs to have a Me Too movement because this is getting from bad to worse.
So you're saying this is an allegation? It is an allegation that Noel raped and beat your friend?
This is a true story. He raped and beat her. You can say allegedly because you weren't there. But this is a true story. He raped and beat her.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Raped. When this happened?
About 2 years ago.
2 years ago? In Jamaica he did this?
Yes, here in Jamaica.
At his apartment, her apartment, where?
At his apartment. He took her by his apartment and raped her there. Gun butter and everything.
So, how did he get her to reach the apartment? Wasn't it consensual? Her to go to there?
He went by her house. It was like a same stalker type of thing. He went by her house and he was there for hours and he was determined that he did not want to leave. And she went out to talk to him just to say, alright, probably if I go talk to him, he will move. And when she went to his car, he locked the car door and he sped off with her and he brought her up by his apartment and raped her.
Mighty God.